What's up, everyone? So I'm just making a quick little video here just to give you an idea of what's inside our packs if you're thinking about buying them, or if you got the free version that we have on our website. So there's a little bit of everything in this, and I made it like that because I felt like there's a lot of artist packs, but there's nothing really that has tools for everything, if you know what I mean. So like you'll get like a Sweetie pack or a Chris Dussy pack, and it'll be all their sounds, but I wanted to make something that's kind of versatile. Whatever sounds you make, whether it's minimal, tech house, electro, techno, you can use this pack. So there's drum loops, there's modular drum loops, there's effects, there's vocals. Then I have all these little words on like bleeps and blops, just random little synth noises, and there's pads, atmospheres, textures, everything you need really. So I'll just give you a quick little breeze through some of them. I'm obviously not going to go through all of them because there's like 2.5 gigs worth of stuff, but I'll show you the classic stabs, and these are sounds that I always struggle to find when I was starting out. Like I always wanted the old stab sounds like that you hear in the funk and disco tracks. You hear them in a lot of house and techno tracks, but they're not very easy to come by. So I obviously made a pack. I think there's 40 or 50 in it. Yeah, there's 50. So I'll just give you a little breeze through this one. Then we have our big breaks pack. This is just full of breakbeat loops. Loads of nice raw sounds in there. Then we have our retro vocals pack.
Oh, by the way, I got a note this morning.
Therefore, your genetic rating is unsuitable.
Well, once I establish myself in this... Excuse me while I whip this out.
Hey, I've been waiting for you.
Then we have our proper house grooves. Some lovely ones there, especially when you layer. That's what I always use the loops for. I make a little groove myself, and then I layer it with a loop like that, and it just fills out the whole track. So then we have our effects. So we have bleeps and blops, volume 1, 2. We have atmospheres. Great for resampling. Then we have this glitch and grooves. Some textures. Vinyl noise, stuff like that. We have house hits. These little synth hits for house. Then we have our spoken words and phrases. 2 of them, volume 1 and 2. There's 1450 samples in each of them.
My passion has always been about doing things a little bit weirder and a little bit more interesting.
All right.
It first appeared on the scene 5 years ago and found its market in the neighborhoods where it was born.
Before there was it is the mental projection of your digital self.
This weird and wonderful drum synthesis with 2 of these. Great for resampling or background sounds. And then loads of one shots and pads here. Loads of solid kick drums. You won't need another kick pack after this. Every sort of kick drum you can think of, and they're all hard. Yeah, that's it. There's some other packs like that I haven't even gone through yet. So So we'll leave it there. Yeah, if you want to grab it, the link is in the description. As always, if you want to comment, subscribe, like, tell me what you want to see, tell me what packs you'd like to see in the future. Anyone that buys the full Universe production suite, if you buy that and then we release new packs, you'll get a discount code, so you'll never pay full price again. So yeah, we'll leave it there.